Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Instagram notes using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap the messages icon in the top right corner of the home screen to open your inbox. At the top of your inbox, tap Leave a Note or tap your profile picture with the plus icon if you already have notes available. Type your message, which can be up to 60 characters long. You can also add music if the feature is available on your account. Next, choose who can see your note. You can share it with your followers you follow back or your close friends list. Once you've selected your audience, tap Share to post your note. Your note will appear at the top of your followers' inboxes for up to 24 hours. Friends can reply to your note, and their responses will appear as direct messages in your inbox. And that's it, you've successfully created an Instagram note. Happy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.